Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship it to you really fast. This is something really nice coming from Nomakk. This is a hoodie, heated USB jacket. Super comfy, guys. I already tried it on. Excellent heat coming from the back and the belly area, the region. Really nice, super comfy. And like I said, they got the hoodie right there. They got the strings, you can make it tighter. And also down at the bottom, they got them. So this is a really nice jacket. If you guys are out hunting right now, this would be a perfect one to get. And this is where you put the power bank. They got the USB right there. And directions are here. Press the switch for 3 to 5 seconds to start heating. Press the switch for 3 to 5 to stop. And then red light, 60 degrees, 50, 40. So if you do work outside and whatnot, this would be a nice gift to give to somebody. This is how you wash it, they tell you, so always check back. Make sure you remove the power bank so you won't get zapped or electrocuted. So definitely a nice quality made jacket or hoodie. I don't know, either or. But deep pockets, I'll show you them. They got deep pockets in here. And deep pockets on this part. Definitely could fit your phone, your wallet, keys in there. And then the other side, same thing. Pretty deep. A nice long sleeves. They got this kind of style. Velcro, I think it is. Yeah, you can adjust it with Velcro. Really nice. But and now you just gotta take this power bank. They got one for sale also. You're gonna have a couple extra ones just in case for your phones and whatnot. Nintendo Switch, your gaming devices, laptops. There we go. Got the juice. Let's plug it in. See how this works. Give me 1 second. It's kind of hard to hold. I'll put you guys right here. There we go. There we go. Got it in. And let's put it in. Oh. There we go. Got it inside there. I hope you guys can see it. And then it says hold 1, 2, 3. There we go. You guys can feel it, but it definitely gets really warm. I did a test run earlier video, so let's see. There's that, and then that side. But I'm sure you could probably use different banks, power banks. So, in case you forget this one out of the house, you could grab another one at the store really quick. You know, so it's universal. Just drop it in the pocket. Press this one if you want to do the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It takes a few seconds, but man, I tell you though, this thing gets warm. Really cool. Something new for this winter. It's going to be a cold one out here in Detroit, so oh boy, not looking forward to it. But this will help, you know, cutting the grass during the fall season. Winter, shoveling the snow really quick. This will be nice to keep warm and stuff like that. So definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have. Like I said, my Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And you guys can get them now, right now, before they sell out. And like I said, they also have the power banks for sale. So either or, check them out, YouTubers. But definitely a nice hoodie for this holiday season to give somebody something different. But really cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.